guys, and welcome back. I hope you are keeping well and safe, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to show you a quick and simple everyday makeup tutorial which you can do in under 5 minutes, and yeah, it's a perfect no makeup look too. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then please continue watching. I'm going to begin by priming my face, and I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Ready Primer, and using my fingers I'm going to apply this all over my face. Next I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm going to use a foundation brush to apply this all over my face, and don't forget to blend the foundation towards your neck so you have an even skin tone. For concealer, I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear, and I'm applying this just under my eye area, and I'm going to take this microfiber sponge and blend it all out. So this is my first time using this microfiber sponge, which is by June & Co, and I actually quite like how it blends. It's really nice and soft, but I need to test it out fully to see if I like it. So to set everything in place, I'm going to take this powder by NARS and apply it with a big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my cheeks and the temples of my forehead. As I'm going for a more natural bronzer look, I'm not going to apply blush at this stage, but if you want to apply blush, then feel free to do so. Now taking a blending brush, I'm going to apply the Huda bronzer onto the outer socket of my eye area just to give my eyes some depth and dimension, and taking the excess down the sides of my nose. Now taking the NYX brow pencil, I'm going to fill in my brows following its natural shape, and taking the brush side I'm going to spread this formula across, and then I'm going to set my brows with this NYX Control Freak. As it is a natural makeup look, there are no false lashes today, but I am going to begin by curling my eyelashes. Then I'm going to apply L'Oreal Baby Doll Mascara, which I'm actually quite impressed with so far. For lips, I wanted a neutral lip colour, so I'm going in with this lip liner by Huda Beauty in the shade Venus. And for lipstick, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Jetsetter. As this was more on the peach side, I'm going in with the NYX Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And there you are, this is my simple everyday makeup in under 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Take care for now, bye!